Hi guys, this is a little too close. Let's fix it. Okay, that's better. So this is going to be a mukbang video. It's not going to be a whisper video or an ASMR video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Basically just I'm really hungry and this is my one and only cheat meal for I think for 5 days a week. I'm trying the health kick again, so yeah. I have my friend who's a personal trainer that I work with, and he said that I should just start it out slowly and steadily. So yeah, I'm gonna try to eat clean for the most part, and then slowly, like, you know, cut off the bad things for me. And then I love McDonald's, so yeah. But yeah, I'm just gonna have this cheat meal. But yeah, the point is I'm gonna have a cheat meal at least once a day or once a week. So if it's like a little treat like a cupcake, I'll have it like once a day, or a chocolate bar or whatever. But if it's like a big thing like eating at restaurants or eating McDonald's, my favorite thing. My eyebrows look weird, but eating McDonald's my favorite thing, then I will do it like once a week or something, because I cannot afford to have it all week. So yeah, this is McDonald's Mickey D's. I have fries, which I ate on my way home. I like to put it on a plate. Mind you, I have not... Why is... This looks like it's an SMR video, but it's not. But yeah. Okay, so mind you that I have not eaten anything since like 4:30 a.m. And then I have a Big Mac. I love Big Macs. I bought other stuff like McChicken and all that stuff for my family members. I don't really care. It's not a big mukbang. It's just a little one. So, but everybody loves McDonald's. Look at it. Oh. It smells so good. But it just fell apart. That's what it looks like. You know what's weird? I love that sauce they have in here. So yeah, I like their sauce. Like, I think it's like a Thousand Island dressing, but that's what it looks like. I hope I'm showing you guys this very well. And I like their bread. I have some fries here. I'm gonna get ketchup. Okay. It's hard because I forget sometimes that Ew! Sorry guys. Just got disgusted for a second. My brother lost the thing, the tip. So, I forget to shake it. Do you know how much sugar ketchup has, guys? But yeah, that's what it looks like. Just a little meal. Join me, guys. I start with the French fries because they're not good when they become cold. So, I wanted to talk about something. I noticed that I lost a couple subscribers as soon as I started uploading the SMRs video. Because I don't blame them. It is a bit weird, especially if you don't know, like, or if you're not open-minded. And, but I think it freaked them out. And I lost them. I don't mind. Okay, don't pay attention to me. I had a long day. And I'm hungry. Oh. How can I forget the most important part? Cold Pop. I don't know if you guys saw this viral video, but it's a lady who she's describing a fire that happened around her neighborhood and how she ran out of the house with no slippers or something like that. She's hilarious. The way she's so descriptive. Hold on. Oh. Sorry, guys. But yeah, so that's why I always say Cold Pop, because she was like, and I went back. I was just drinking my Cold Pop, and something I can't really do it, but I'll put the link down below. So, how are you guys doing? Please let me know if you guys like. Oh my god, I look hideous. What the heck? Sorry, guys. I have forehead going for days. But basically, these kind of videos are just me chatting with you and me just chat. You know what? This is very therapeutic. I have no shame anymore. I'm kidding. Well, kind of. I have no shame anymore. Like, I'm not embarrassed to post this kind of video, but because why not? I love food, so plus you guys will I open up easily when it comes to food and stuff, so but what do you guys think of these kind of videos? Let me know down below if it's weird. I agree the SMRs are kind of weird, but I love it. I love watching SMRs. I have a few favorite channels I have, which I will mention sometime in the future. But I'm searching because I'm trying to get into the screen too. But anyways, yeah, how are you guys doing? I wanted to send you guys an email thanking each and one of you guys for being subscribed and just being awesome. Because it's like socially, I feel very nice. I made a lot of great friends. And it's just awesome. It's just another way of communicating, you know? I hate how the bun on top is bigger than the bun on the bottom. Look how much bun there is left. I love pickles. No! My timing thing on the camera is weird. Anyway. Don't worry, I'm at home. So I'm gonna wash up and clean up after this, but fries. I hate it when they're that tiny though. I feel disrespected or something. think you guys can better see it now. Yeah. Like, how dare you give me the fries at the bottom of the food? No, I'm kidding. Sorry. I had chocolate milk and protein shake with these energy stuff this morning. That stuff is really good. For healthy stuff, it's really good. And then I had 2 large, at different times throughout the day, 2 large Rebel drinks. I like the pomegranate vanilla ones. You guys should try that. It's really good. Anyways, my mom feels like she would want to kill me if she saw me eating with both of my hands. Such an embarrassment. I'm so sorry. But it's fun. Plus, to be honest, I'm just trying to eat really quick so that I could get this video up, but at the same time, let some ketchup. But at the same time, like, I'm quite tired. I just wanna. I have a lot to do and I need to get to bed by a certain time, so. Ew, my hand looks so fat right now. Anyways. Congratulations to the winners, if you have gotten this far of the video, for the giveaway, for me thanking you guys. If you have not won, I will make sure and do another giveaway with certain of those items, like the eyeliner in there, because I know that the eyeliner was very popular, and the wen. I don't think I'll have another wen giveaway, but we'll see. Right now, the only ideas that are fresh in my mind for videos are mukbangs, because to be honest, they're really fun to make. And SMRs are really interesting to make, so I like experimenting. So, thumbs up this video if you guys want to see more mukbang videos, and go ahead and check out my other mukbang video, which was quite popular. I didn't think it would get that far, but yeah. What else? I wanted to ask you another thing. If you have gotten this far to the video, let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see from me and my channel. I don't want to stick to one thing right now. I'll let you guys know if I'm going to make another channel for another specific thing. But right now, this channel is slowly growing into really who I am, showcasing who I am, which I really like. Because I don't need to try hard. I just need to just boop, show you guys. So, yeah, but I still would like to know you guys' suggestions on what kind of videos to make, because sometimes it's really hard. Sometimes I have like a lot of suggestions that it's overwhelming and I don't do anything. But if you guys tell me like specific ones, maybe I could try to implement those ideas into my own and then go from there. But yeah, as always, I really want to let you guys know that I appreciate you guys, all of you guys, for watching and subscribing and all that stuff. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.